So we're going to create an account on LingCoach. We're going to enter our username, our email, and a password that we want to use. Then we'll sign up on the platform. Now we're redirected to a page, and on this page we're going to have language that we currently speak. I speak English, and the language I'm currently learning, which is French. So I'm going to select English, and I'm going to select French in the second selection, okay? And then my level is kind of intermediary, so I'm just going to speak, well, let's just choose beginner for example's sake, okay? So now we've been redirected to the dashboard. So this is your LingCoach dashboard. This is the area where you practice. There's just a pop-up notification. Then we're going to head over to the word bank, okay? And then the scenarios page where you practice scenarios, okay? So let's head over to the practice page, and the word I'm going to use today is let's say salut. So salut is a French word of saying, it's a way of saying hi in French, okay? So I'm going to be using salut, and then I'm going to send the message. All right. So now as you can see, I've been corrected in the particular language I'm learning. My corrections, the explanations, translations, pronunciations, and even a follow-up question, like in order to keep the conversation.
Salut, comment allez-vous?
So you can also listen to words that have been corrected, or even examples that you want to listen to. Okay, let's try another word. Je suis très bien. Oh, I made a mistake in my suis, but that doesn't matter, because that's the whole point of LingCoach, helping you develop your language faster, okay? And also practice-based learning, so because that's what's really important. So you can see that we've been corrected, okay? We have been given an explanation, and also our translations, and let's just listen.
Je suis très bien. Et toi? Comment ça va? Quel jour est-ce?
So now we've been corrected on the particular word that we got wrong, and we've also been given, we've also been given a pronunciation.
Je suis très content de te voir. I'm very happy to see you.
And this pronunciation is going to help us to listen for my learners, which are active listeners who need to listen in order to get familiar with the language. So we've saved this particular word to our word bank. We can review it anytime we want. We can check out the pronunciations, like to help us mouth. We can also delete it if we want to, okay? Now the scenarios page. So the thing about LingCoach that I really like is the scenarios page, because it gives you this kind of interactive scenario to practice. Okay.
Bonjour madame, monsieur. Qu'est-ce que je peux vous apporter?
So you just listen to the scenarios page. This scenarios page is all about ordering a coffee, and I'm trying to order a coffee just to give you that feeling of, yeah, we're trying to order a coffee. So let's order the coffee, right? The whole French experience and all. So let's just try and reply. Okay. So I'm going to hit the send. So now I've been replied.
Bien sûr. Un café et 3 croissants. Quel type de café préférez-vous?
So this is not helping us, give us that feeling of we're actually in a scenario, okay? So I've saved that particular word to my word bank for review. And anytime you just want, you can just save, review, listen, because listening is active when you're learning the language. It's one of the most important parts.